Arts Workfly.
Hi guys! Hi! Unboxing video as the title states. This package is from TEMU. It's been a long awaited video because I got this from a long time. Is this still recording? I got this from a long time, but I was waiting to open it on camera. Alright, it's for the Christmas season. It's for the Christmas season. Alright, so it's a shopping thingy. Oh my god! It's a shopping thingy. What's his name? Kitchen Idea Veggie Slicer. All of that. Oh, this is blocked on the thing. Put it down here. So I have these thingamajiggers. Oh my god, I can't wait to use it. Alright, let's see how this works. What is this? Alright, so you put on this thingamajigger. So if you want to put this thing in there or not. Okay. Oh, can't remember I buy one for my mother. Sure, for my mother when it was on sale. For the Christmas season. And you can put one of these in it. Ooh, and then you put the onion and you smash it. I just want the onion. Alrighty then. I don't use it often, I keep my mom. Not a big cooker, but I'm glad for it, guys. It was on sale, it was $5. Gets it. Alright guys, I have the big one. What is this again? So how long we have them? The baguettes. Oh yeah! Guys, get the baguette. So nice, guys. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. Oh, I got this from Alibaba. No, not Alibaba. AliExpress. Oh my god. I feel like a real YouTuber now. Guys, I think I'm going to do vlogmas, so stay tuned for that. So we are Jamaican, we usually say Christmas a come, but it's actually Christmas, it's actually Christmas. So we say vlogmas, so Jamaican thing is vlogmas. mass. So look at anything me call it, you know what me mean. Alright? But I think I'm gonna call mine art mass. Look at TEMU. I'm realize TEMU start do them start do with the orange bag. And start do it this is a scarf for my hair. And start do it and start do a white bag like or when you just start out, they will give you the orange bag. And then after they realize that you're a regular customer, them start getting the white bag. But look at this, isn't it cute? It's for my hair, guys. What is this? Oh god. Oh, this I'm gonna do some planting. So I think this screw on a bottle and it drips slowly, so I don't have to look back on the plant. I'm not a good planter now. Oh, should I take out one, guys? Oh my god. I don't think you guys want me to take out one. That's all. See it there. So you then turn it like this and push it in the soil. This one now is a grafter. This one can take out because right now it don't look nothing like never. So maybe take out one and give you an idea of what it does. Alright, so let's say you're grafting, right? Like you're grafting onion? No, not grafting onion. You're like you cut a piece of the bark off of a tree. You put dirt in this, put this over the part that you cut off on the tree, and the roots will start growing in this. When the roots start growing, you cut it off and you replant it in something else. That is this, okay guys? Remember I mentioned in one of my videos that I'm gonna start planting. Basically I want to understand how to plant certain things because tomato this year, come on, sweet pepper this year, come on man, no, dangerous. So imagine next year, papapiro. This one is for my daughter. Oh, so cute. Yeah. Pen. Alright, so this one is, what is this? Oh my god, wonder if this can work better because guys, the thing that I'm using now keep on falling off of my head. Usually it stay on like for the whole night and even have the crease over my forehead, but no, what? Probably this is better to keep on my daughter's ears, especially how much maybe I hope at 2. If not, would have just give me daughter that one here. Cause we are here. I don't know how I'm going to the young one. That's something that just stay on, no at all. And this is a steam cap, guys. Look, ear journey I was starting on steam cap. One for me, one for my daughter. So when I'm steaming my hair, I steam her hair. So yeah. What is this one? What is it? Oh, another one. Oh, this is, what kind of case is this? this big eye, man. Please. That's so big. I've never made a Pilates. I don't care make Pilates. Let me use that make Pilates. I don't know that's so big. Oh yes, I bought soup. So you probably can do. Scrunchie, anybody want the scrunchie? Okay, so this supposed to can do better in my hair. So instead of using like the scrunchie that I'm using now, oh lord, the scrunchies that I'm using now that tear out my hair, I'm gonna use the, what is this, silk or satin? I don't know what this is. What is this? Silk or satin? Okay, I don't know the difference. Yeah. So look, I have like here. I can't see it. It takes out some of my hair. So I'm gonna try see if these ones are better for my hair. Guys watching, it's not going to show right now, but my hair is actually long. Let me try to see it right now because it's twisted up, but it's actually way at my waist. At my waist, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna use this, see how it works out for the day. Friend. Okay, I'll probably give my sister some of this too. Yes. Oh, what's this one? Alright, no, this one is to hold on my edges. What is this? Alright, let's save this for last. Save that thing for last. Yes, I can definitely give my sister some of these. This is the pillowcase, the pillowcase for my pretty head. This is the pillowcase, the silk pillowcase or satin. Oh my god, my hair is going to grow. Oh my goodness. It's going to grow. Your journey is starting now. Your journey is starting now. Follow along, guys. Follow along. When is this level? 15 minutes. Why? Probably came in probably came in trees, guys. I don't know why I got 3 of these. Oh, probably I can give my sister one. Yeah. So my planting too. This is for planting, guys. I'm going to cut the round. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Guys, and this is what I've been waiting for. This is a blank mask, guys. Now I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it now. Oh God, please let me look good. Please let me look good. believe that you speechless, speechless. Guys, can you see what is here? Artwork fly, subscribe. I wear a lot of hats, guys. Whenever I don't get to comb my hair and I'm going on the road on Saturdays or Fridays, I wear a lot of hats. So I'm thinking, what if I put this on the hats? And I can even give away some and let them walk with this same thing. But I'm wondering why they never use white panties. You know, they're a graphic artists. Swear. They should not use white. They don't know that. Oh, they never know that. But anyways, this one is cute. Oh my god, they should use white panties and put black in everything. But it's fine, because sometimes it kind of shine and really bunny no. So it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. You can't even see this one. This is the only one we're probably gonna rock off, think as a black. Ten of them, guys. 10. Tell me say not subscribe now, no? Tell me say not subscribe now. Tell me say not subscribe no. The people then put everything in a black. But that's fine, that's fine. This one couldn't be in a white. But sometimes you get really shy. So it's alright. 10 of them, guys. I love it. When I really feel like I want show myself, I wear the white or the black. Yeah. When I feel like I'm not shy that day, you know what I mean? Oh my god, I love it so much. Alright, I have another unboxing video, but this video is already long, so I have to stop it here. See guys, you see my edges them? They get trouble, you know, man. They get trouble, boy. I want to stop using the elastic band also, so stay tuned for that because I'm gonna do a video where I'm not wearing the elastic band and see how that goes for the week, guys. I'm gonna show you the process. It's not normal when I use elastic, you know. It's not normal when I'm not using the elastic band. You know, stay together, PMS behavior. But still, I'm proud of her. She's growing. Bye, guys. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.